Hi everyone, you're welcome to Explore Insight. In this video, I'm going to discuss about number system. First, I want to briefly let you understand that number system is just a mathematical notation for representing numbers, either using digits or symbols. Now, there are different number systems which include 1. Binary system, 2. Octal system, 3. Decimal system, and the last one, hexadecimal system. Now, these different systems are used for different contents. Like, for example, the binary system can be used in computing or electronics, and these values are being represented as on or off states. So if we talk about the decimal system, they are generally known, and we mostly use it for counting and arithmetic. And lastly, for the hexadecimal system, it is used to represent long binary string in a compact format because it's very difficult for humans to remember long numbers. So it is better put in an hexadecimal form. Next, I'd like to talk about the base or radix of number base. So it's important for us to know this because this simply represents the number of independent digits, including the digit zeros, which is used to represent numbers in positional numeral system. It is important to know the formula of a radix. So the formula of a radix is simply given as 0 to r minus 1, where r is the radix. Now, for we to understand this, it means that we can be able to tell the number of digits that are present in a particular radix number system. We can even know which value falls in a particular number system. Let's take an example. On this binary system, what we have here as radix is considered as 2. For us to know the number of digits, we can do that by understanding the formula here, which simply means the number of digits will be 0 to r minus 1, and in this case our r is 2, which simply gives us r to 1. So simply put this as 0, 1. Now, it is important for you to also understand that the maximum value in binary system is 1. So our maximum value will be 1. Okay, so let's consider octal system. In this case, our radix is 8. So for us to know the number of digits, it's going to be 0 to 7. Why? Because from the formula, 0 to r minus 1 simply means 8 minus 1 will give us 7. Now, we can put it straight that the values that will be available here will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going further, could you please let me know what will be the maximum value? It's not far-fetched, as the maximum value will be 7, which we have here. Now, let's consider the decimal system. Now, in this decimal system, the radix is going to be 10. Now, for the number of digits, we are going to have it as 0 to 9, where r minus 1 will be 10 minus 1, giving us 9. And in that ranges, it means we are going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, and then our maximum value, we will state it to be 9. So it means in a decimal system, the highest value you can find is 9. Now let's move to hexadecimal, where the radix is 16. So the number of digits used will be from 0 to 15, which is also considered as F. Now, why? So let me list it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, but in hexadecimal, at this point where we have 10, is considered as A. So we are just going to have it as A, B, C, D, E, and F. So this F literally represents 15. So let me come further to write this out. So let me write this out as 10 is being represented as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and the 15 as F. So in this scenario, our maximum value will be considered as F. So let me put it here that in general, for any given radix, let's say radix R, now we are going to have our digits as 0, 1, then to R minus 1. And here we can always consider the maximum value to be R minus 1. So take note of that. So to this end, I want to ask 3 questions. So my first question will be, how many digits are there if we want to consider the base or radix 7 number system? So use few minutes to answer that. So the second one I want to ask is, now in this case, what will be the largest digit? For the question 1. So it means from this question 1, what will be the largest digit? And lastly, the third one I want to ask is, can you consider this number 5413 if it is a base or radix of 5 number system? So let me know your answer, and I'll be dropping the answer towards the end of this video. So just few minutes to think, and then I will give you the answer. So here are my answers. I'll say that there are 7 digits here. So I'm just coming here to write 7 digits, okay? Because we are dealing with 7 number systems, so there are 7 digits. 0, 1. Remember the formula, 0 to R minus 1. So we are going to have 0 to 6, right? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you make the count, it's 7 digits. Okay, so what is the largest digit? So from this question 1, what is the largest digit? So the answer will be 6. Now, moving over to the third question, whether 5413 is a base or radix 5 number system, the answer will be no. Why? Because the 5413 cannot be a base 5 number system because of the value 5. Remember, for base 5 number system, we are supposed to have 4 as the largest digit in this scenario. So this is not, it cannot be a base 5 number system. Remember, today's topic was simply on number system. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Always try to look up for other subsequent videos as I take you through the full course on digital electronics. Have a nice time. Bye.